Hi guys, to see this advanced workshop I would recommend you to go to the basic workshop before we reach the level for advanced level. Fine. So number is one of the very common question. In fact, the most common question in PNC advanced level is going to be from numbers. Yep. Now numbers contain two type of question. One is the question which are based on PNC, and second thing which is the question based on special equations. There's another video in Detic 1 for special equation. I want you to go through that workshop for special equations to understand that kind of a PNC question based on numbers. Alright, in this section we're going to solve a few questions which are based on a particular digit based question. For example, using 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, how many 3 digits number we can form? Yep. Now first seat can be taken by any of the 5 people. 1, 3, 5, 7, any one of them. Second seat can be any of the remaining seats. So these are the total number of ways, 60, in which 3 digit number is always odd. Yep. Or if I give you any more basic question, I want you to go through the basic video to solve them. Using 1 to 5, how many numbers are there which end up in an odd number, which end up in an even number? Let's say that's more easy to solve. Even number, this can be either 2 or 4, any of the 2 people out of 5. Now 1 person is gone out of 5, remaining 4 people, 3 people. So these are the total number of ways in which 4 into 4, 20, 24 ways in which we'll always end up with the even number. Yep, so these are a few examples which are easy examples. Now we'll see a few questions which are the advanced level. Yep. Yeah, so let's see a few questions. How many 5 digit numbers are there can be formed using the digit these 3 exactly once, such that all the numbers are divisible by 125. So please pause the video. Alright, if you look at the option, they are very close. 1, 2, 4, 3. There are not many numbers possible. Now, to be a multiple of 125 divisible by 125, a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is a multiple of 5. Is divisible by 25 if last 2 digits is a multiple of 25, and 125 if last 3 digits are a multiple of 25. Yeah, last 3 digit. So all the possible combination which will end up with 125, which is not there in this combination, or double 250, or 375, 500, 625, 750, 875, 900. These are the possible combination. So between 2, 3, 5, 7 is not there. 250 again is not there. 375 is there, yes. 375. 500 is not there. 625 is not there. 750 is not there. 825 is next number. 825. 900 is not there. So there are 2 possible cases which contain the answer. Yep. So last 3 digit is 375 one combination and 875 is second combination. Now if the last 3 digit this thing, first 2 digits have to be 28 or 82. 2 combinations. If it is 375, it can be 23 or 32. So 2 here, 2 here, total 4 cases possible for this question. Yep, all the best. Again, good question. Alright, next please pause the video and try to do it. Alright, now we have a condition here that the unit digit should be greater than the number at the 10th digit. Yep. So if I take a 5 digit number, this number should be greater than the 10th digit. So let's assume this is 5. So this can be any of the other number, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got 4 options. So this is 5. There is only one option in this case, 4 option in this case. I've taken one word gone, second word gone. So we left with 3. So 3, 2, 1. So factorial 3 into 4. Yeah, 6 into 4, 24 ways. First part. Then I can take, if number 4 is here, one way. This can be 1, 2, 3. Yep, so 3 ways. Again, now remaining 3 in factorial 3 ways. So 6 into 3, 18 ways. Next case, if this is 3, this can be 2 or 1, 2 ways into factorial 3. 3 to 1 into 2. So 6 into 2, 12 ways. Now, if last case, if this is 2, this have to be 1, only one way. And remaining 3 to 1, factorial 3 ways, 6 ways. The answer is 24 plus 18 plus 12 plus 6. So 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 18, 36 plus 24, 60. The number of ways are 60 in which the unit place is bigger than the 10th place. Fine. All I'm doing is I'm fixing up the people. Fine. Again, I'm saying please see the basic video before you jump to these advanced questions because they'll be a little more difficult to solve otherwise. Yep. Very, very good question. Moving on to the next question. Alright, please pause the video. We're looking at a different 5-digit number divisible by 4 with the digits, these no digit being repeated in the number. Find the value of combinations n. Alright, if you try to solve this thing, there are 5 digit number. Find which is a multiple of 4. If you see one, you'll see that these questions is very, very common. Multiple of 4, multiple of 5, multiple of 3. So multiple of 4 is last 2 digits should be multiple of 4. Suppose if we take the first combination 1 and 2, 12 is a multiple of 4. Now 2 digits are gone out of the 5-digit number, no digit being repeated. So remaining have to be 3 into 2 into 1. So there's 6 ways which end with 12. So there's 6 numbers, or 2 gone, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, let me do this again. I'm looking at for a 5-digit number which end with a multiple of 4 using these digits. Let's assume I'm taking 1 and 2. Last 2 digits are 1 and 2 fixed. How many ways to do that? 1 way to do that. Now out of 6 digits, 2 are gone. Remaining 4 digit can be 4, 3, 2. So 24 ways to get this number which is a multiple of 12. Multiple of 4. Which is 1 and 2, first combination. Likewise, if I find out the number of combinations from this list, I will be done. So 1, 2 is first combination, 1, 6 is second combination, 16 is multiple of 4. Then 24, 26 is not there, 32, 28, 32 is one combination, 36 is one combination, 44 nahi hai, 42 bhi nahi, 46 bhi nahi, no combination between 40. The next is 52, 56, 64. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 combination. So these are the 8 combinations which are a multiple of 4. First 3 will remain same fixed. Suppose if I take 64, 6 and 4, one way to solve this, remaining is 24. So my answer will be 24 into 8. Yep. So how to calculate this thing now? 28, I can do 24 into 10 minus 2. 24 and 10, 240 minus 48. 240 minus 48, 192. Here's my answer. Yep, let me repeat this. All questions I'm doing by the same method by looking at the chair. There are 5 chairs where I want to sit. Last 2 people can be taken by 1 and 2. Or 6 and 4, or all the combination which will give me a multiple of 4. 1 into 1 way. Similarly, there are total 8 combinations. Yep. Remaining people can be 4, 3, 2. So 24 into 8, 192 ways. It's a very good question. Alright, next question. Please try to solve this. Please pause the video and try to do. Alright, I want now exactly the 5-digit number. Again, we are continuing the series of 5-digit number. Exactly each number used once. Exactly 2 of the odd positions occupied by the odd digits. Fine.
First we'll find out the number of ways, how many ways I can do that. Exactly 2 odd places are there, and then we'll look at the second part, in which find the sum of numbers. So let me break them into 2 questions. First, how many digits are there which have a even number? Exactly 2 odd places. So out of these 3, 2 odd places should be even numbers. Fine. Suppose I fix up 1 here, and then I can fix up 3, or I can take 3 1, or I can take 5 3, or I can take 3 5, or I can take 3 1 1 3 5 3 1 5, and 5 1. So there are 6 ways I can select 2 for these 2 options only. Fine. Now then this digit should not be an even number, should not be odd number. Fine, they have to be even number here. So 6 ways to get these 2 numbers, 2 ways to put up an even number here. Then again this can be odd even or even odd. Further 2 ways. So 6 into 2 into 2 is the total number of ways I can arrange in which odd number are in these 2 positions. So 6 to 2, 4 into 6, 24 ways are there. Now if I pick up odd is here and here, another 24 ways, and another 24 ways in which one odd will be here and one odd is here. Yep. So 24 into 3, 72 ways are there in which exactly 2 positions taken by the odd and remaining are by the other people. Okay, that is the first part. 72 combinations possible. Now we'll move to the second part. What is the sum of all the pairs? Fine. Now let's assume if it's an odd number here, last position can be odd number or even number. Fine, it can be 1 or 3 or 5. Answer will remain same for everyone. Suppose I pick up 1 here. So 1 way. First odd number can be taken by any of the 2 odd, 3 or 5. Yeah, 2 ways. Now this cannot be an odd number, this have to be even number. Again 2 ways, 4 or 2. Yep. Now these 2 positions have to be, remaining 2 people can be 1 2 into 1. So there are 8 ways which will end up in 1. Yep. Similarly 8 ways in which if I take this odd number, yeah, so 8 plus 8, 16 ways will end up in 1. Similarly 16 ways will end up in 3. Sum of those numbers will be 16 to 3. Similarly 16 will end up with 5. So if I take 16 common, 16 into 9, 144 is the total number of combination which will end up with the odd number. Yep, 144. Let me do it again. If the first, now we are looking at a 5-digit number which is such a way in which the last digit is odd number. Here I'm starting the first part. Let's say 1, or it can be 3, or it can be 5. Let's assume this is a 1, only one position. Now even other odd number can be here or here. So I'll take the first case where odd number is here. I have 2 options, 5 or 3. Yeah, taken. Now this cannot be an odd number now because the odd number is already taken. So even number, there are only 2 options for the even number. Now we are down to 3. 3 numbers are gone, 2 are remaining. 2 number can be interchanged in 2 into 1. So total 8 ways, 2 to 2, 8 ways are there in which this and this number are odd. Similarly, if I take the other example, if this is my odd number 1 and this is my second odd number, 2 ways. Now this can be odd, even number, remaining 2 digits, 2 into 1, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So total 16 cases will have 1 as a common. So 16, and last digit can be 1 or 3 or 5. So 16 into 9, 144. Yep. So 144 will have odd numbers. Now if I look at the even number, if suppose last digit is an even number, I have got 2 options. First odd number here, 3 options. Second odd number here, 2 options. Last 2 digits, 2 into 1. So these are all the cases which end up with the even number. Yep, there are 2 options. So I can take them out as it can be 2, or similarly it can end up with 4. So again 3, 2, 2. 4 into 3, 12. 12 cases will contain 2 in the end, 12 cases will contain 4 in the end. So sum of all these numbers, 12 into 2 plus 4 into 12, or 2 plus 4, 6 into 12, 72. 72 plus 144, 216. Now again, I'm telling you again and again, this is a very, very common question. Using 5-digit number, how many combination we can form? And this question will come in almost every exam you're going to take now. Yep, so please go through them seriously. Alright.